Hi, so I have done something, so let me show you a demo on this tweet label. So there is two projects. One is a backend server, which is just some dummy data. Let me explain that first. So it has one endpoint actually, and then it will accept something like this. Let me show you the example here. Yeah, it will accept something like that. Authors and then user IDs should be an array, and then if you call that, it will give you a response something like that, user ID and then green, blue, whatever. So it's just dummy. Okay, so I just use some random thing with hash, and then I'm just returning it. And then the URL is HTTPS, so I just used ngrok for the sake. Okay, you can put it on your own server there. And then the next thing is, let me open the code actually. Okay, so the application has something called a background.js, which is responsible for fetching the data from background and all the other stuff. And then we have something like Twitter content script and then Twitter page script, which will do the work. Whatever is available, whatever is not available, it will decide, and then it will connect with the background page, and then it will download, and then it will show. Okay, so the first thing you need to do in this is, after downloading your so-called application, our application. So let me put this folder there. Yeah. Okay, and then you just write npm install, and then next you need to do something like npm run build. Okay. So once you've done that, everything would be built, and then everything would be well. And then related with the dependency, I think, right? You asked for dependency. We are not using any dependencies as of now, just dev dependencies, which is for building the plugin. All the other stuff. Okay, so now we have built successfully. The next thing is, we just want to load the extension. If you see the folder, we have something called dast, dist folder, which is the distribution. So we just need to load this particular folder in our Chrome. We open the Chrome here, and then click load unpacked, and then go to the dast folder, which I have already here, and then select it. Okay, and then you will see the extension has been loaded. So once the extension has been loaded, we can just go to x.com. I will open the console to show you what is actually happening. So it will wait till something has been loaded, and then it will say like what are all the user IDs I need to fetch. It found Elon Musk, KW, Times Algebra, and then after 5 seconds of idleness, okay, so it will not do anything immediately to avoid so much work to the server. So whenever if it is idle for 5 seconds, it will combine everything, and then it will push it back. And then you can see here, automatically it has included blue, green, red, and then red, and then red again. So you can see here, it is still trying to find out. It will try to fetch out. So if there is idle time, it will go and then fetch it. Till then, it will just keep on using it. Okay. So if I want to see, like, for example, in this case, I want to see the reply, I can still go there. It will do the same thing again. Okay. So it will find, and then it will update this one blue, and then red, all the other stuff. So one more thing which I have added is, it will not keep on going it again and again to the server. So whatever data which we have been seeing, it will be stored in a cache called authors database. Okay, so it is an index DB. So it will save all the information, whatever we have received from the server, and then it will save it. So next time, it will first check in the local DB. If it is available, it will just put it, or else it will go back to the original script, and then it will download, and then it will paste there. So these HTML, you know that it is customizable now, all the other stuff. So I just thought like, okay, fine. Instead of writing a proposal, it would be somewhat easy to complete that. It did took some time for me, but I thought it might be helpful for you. Yeah.